Today we are looking at the 2013 Cadillac Escalade Premium in mocha steel metallic. This full-size SUV is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these jet black leather seats. These seats contain heating in the second row, as well as heating and ventilation in the front row. This jet black theme is followed throughout the entire vehicle, as well as these wooden accent panels. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel option, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find controls for your windshield wipers, gear shifter, and your gauge cluster. Below, you'll find headlight controls. In the driver's side door panel, you'll find power controls for windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as memory seat settings. As we jump inside, in the center, we have our media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with radio, aux, and built-in navigation. Below, you'll find your controls for climate control, as well as heated and ventilated seats in the front row. In the center are cup holders, as well as the spacious center console. As we take a look at this beautiful mocha steel exterior, we'll notice many premium features, such as these chrome wheels, automatic power assist steps, roof rails, and the hands-free power liftgate. As we open it, we can showcase the spacious cargo area. As we jump into the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, climate control settings, heated seat settings, and retractable cup holders. Pull-down cup holders are also provided in the center. These seats are split in a 60-40 fashion, which means on both sides there is a lever that, when released, allows for ease of entry into the third row of seating. Look up and you'll see that beautiful power sunroof. And that is the 2013 Cadillac Escalade Premium in mocha steel metallic, located at Wolfe, Cadillac, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to help.